Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's Brianna. Today I did this super simple makeup look. I normally wear it if I'm running errands really fast or if I'm going to a small little dinner with my family. It's really simple, very minimal, super easy to do. So stay tuned if you want to see how I got this way. Also, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on your post notifications for all future videos. Thank you. Okay, hey guys, let's get started. We starting with the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I put this in all the spots that I conceal underneath my eyes, my forehead, and my chin. I also use a Wet n Wild primer in coconut or cucumber, but I did not use it this time. I also want to note that I do wear like a dingy older shirt just so that the makeup don't ruin my good clothes. I definitely recommend that. Right now I am color correcting with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I love their concealer. If you don't know about them, you need to learn about them. This is in the orange corrector. I do not have perfect skin at all, and I have hyperpigmentation, so the orange just corrects that underneath my foundation. I only do the big parts that I feel like are bold through my makeup, and because I like a peekaboo makeup, if that even makes sense. I like for it to peekaboo through but not be too bold through. And now I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm blending it all out. I blend it out a lot because I noticed that sometimes it'll change the color of my foundation because it is orange. So blending is my best friend. It should be your best friend too if you do your makeup. Blend, 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 ladies. Let us blend. So now I am starting on my brows. This is the e.l.f. brow pencil in dark brown. It is a brow pencil slash spoolie, so I just comb out my hairs, get them straight. I have not went and got them done in a minute, so I'm just gonna form them myself. That little trick that I just did is something I learned from another YouTuber. You just press the brow pencil against the top of your nostril on each side and make a little mark, and that will guide you on how your eyebrows should start. That way they're not touching, you're not forming a unibrow or anything like that. I do go in harder towards the front and the ends, and I go in softer in the middle because my eyebrows are thick. So I don't need to really go that hard with the color in the middle. Am I the only one that feel like my eyebrows are two different shapes? Like my right one is kind of straight and my left one has more of an arch. I hate it when I can see it too when I'm doing it. Now I'm just gonna go in with this concealer. It's the second to darkest brown concealer. I'm sorry, losing my train of thought. And I just go in to conceal underneath and around my brows. In the summertime, I use the darkest color on that palette, and in the wintertime, I use the second to darkest color. And I just bring it down, drag it down, blend it down into my eyelids because I am going to do an eyeshadow, and it's really going to help later on. That way I don't have to do a whole bunch of concealer and blending when I'm doing my eyeshadow. So I just do the top and the bottom, and I also conceal in the middle because if you're like me and you didn't get your eyebrows done, you want to conceal them little hairs that's growing back. Or if you did go get your eyebrows done and your tech might have, forgot some hairs somewhere, just conceal them. Blend it all together. Make it look seamless. Just gonna repeat the same process on the second side. Now, why do I hold that skin at the top like it does anything? I have no idea. It just feels comfortable. It makes me feel better. And I'm just gonna blend that down just like I did with the last eye. And now I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender and blend that line out. I want to say my arm started hurting, so that's why I didn't take the time with the spoolie to get it out. Yeah, shake your head. They ain't matching. They cousins. They ain't twins. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in 355 Coconut. I do have combination skin, so my T-zone area gets very oily and I feel like it spreads to the rest of my face. So I use the matte foundations in any foundation that I use to try to soak up that oil. I am going to use a foundation brush I'm doing a pound swipe type motion to get the foundation in, and I am using small amounts. I am a true believer in using small amounts to build it up, other than using a large amount and not being able to really blend it out to the coverage that you like. So I start small and go work my way up till I get it to where I like it. And I'm just gonna blend that out all around. I bring it down my neck, I bring it all around my chin, all on my ears. I just blend, blend, blend. Ladies, remember, makeup is washable. You can wash it off. So don't be scared to put it everywhere. If you got to put it on your chest, put it on your chest to make sure that it flows. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee to highlight. Highlighting you're just making the points of your face that touch the light brighter. It already naturally highlights when you look straight ahead into a light. Now you're just, I don't know the word I'm looking for, but you're bringing it more out. And we have a visitor. She really likes to visit when I'm sitting doing my makeup. Normally she's trying to do her own makeup with a makeup brush, but not today. So now I'm going to spray my beauty blender with my setting spray, and I'm just going to blend it out. This is a new thing that I'm doing. I never really start with my chin, my nose, and my forehead, but I did it this time and I actually like it better. I am blending underneath my eye and on top of my eyelid. Like I said earlier, if you put the concealer there while you're already doing this, you're pretty much killing two birds with one stone, because you're gonna put concealer there to put your eyeshadow on. Might as well blend it out now and go ahead and get it going. That way. This is the Airspun setting powder. We are getting ready to bake that face. So you're gonna use that and put it all over where you just concealed. I love Airspun setting powder because there is no backlash in when you take pictures, and it's very affordable. It's like $5 at Walmart and Target. I do use the banana powder, but that's more on the pricier side, and this is more affordable. And I haven't re-upped on my banana powder. So Airspun has never done me wrong. And you're just gonna bake. Leave it there, let it bake. This is the Chocolates palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm using the Cocoa Brown. Now they don't have names, I just named it myself. This looks like a cocoa brown to me, and I'm just using that for my crease. This is a neutral look, so I'm not going bold. I'm not going too bold. I want it to stay neutral. I'm a brown skin girl, so my eyelid's gonna be chocolate. I'm gonna try to keep everything subtle. I'm also going to go in with this peanut butter. It's not really peanut butter, it's more like a caramel. This caramel brown on my lid, because later on I am going back in with a dark brown glittery color. So I wanted to show. I need you to see the glitter because I love the glitter. So I want you to see it. Yep, I thought I was gonna go in with that pencil. Psych. Let's go with this one. Now that's the glitter color right there. This camera is not really. See, I tried to show it. I want you to see it, but that is not doing it any justice. You gotta order the palette if you don't have it so you can see it. It is very beautiful. It's an amazing palette. I love it. I'm very much a browns, nudes, olive green type person. That's my vibe right there. Since I've gotten older, I like the more neutral themes and colors, more subtle. And I do pack it on a lot. I will go in for a layer after a layer after a layer. And I'm just doing the same thing for both lids, just putting the glitter on top of my lid until I feel like when I blink, you gonna see it. That's how I know. I am vibing out to 90s and early 2000s R&B. So if you see me singing and dancing, that's what it is. And then I'm just gonna blend it all together, blend it out, make sure it's going together perfect. Check me out. I like that. Now I'm just gonna go in with a powder brush, and I am going to knock all that excess powder, baking powder that we put on there out, knock it all off. Anything that has not settled into my skin, I just want to knock it off. And now I'm going in with my kabuki brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 40 Dark. And I'm just gonna go over my skin, bring back the color in it. I'm gonna lightly go over my concealer spots with that powder, but not a lot. Now I'm going in with the Makeup Obsession Mega Honey Highlighter with my highlighting fan brush. Now normally I will go in with this highlighter, but because we're staying subtle, I'm only gonna do one swipe, and I'm going to blend it out so that it's not so bold. Remember, ladies, we're just doing a little something cute and walking out the door. Now I'm doing my Wet n Wild Mega Length. I'm using that on my lashes as my mascara. If you are a mascara and lip gloss type of girl, you don't really do all the foundation and stuff, I definitely recommend the Better Than Sex mascara. That mascara is amazing. I love it. Now I am going in with the Milani Fruit Fetish Gloss in Blueberry Acai. This tastes so good. That's why I did it first. That's why I put it on first. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because it tastes so good. Don't even taste like a lip gloss. And I'm just gonna go on top with the LA Girl Gloss Topper in Clear. I have been very much into lip gloss, not so much into lipstick. I don't remember the last time I wore a lipstick. And I'm gonna finish it off with the Hard Candy Longwear Setting Spray. Oh, I noticed that I got a little powder under there, so I'm gonna clean that up real fast. Yeah, so this is the makeup look. Super simple, very minimal. I know it seemed like a lot of stuff, but it's not. Get your slow-mo. Yes, honey. Oh yeah. And we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup routine. Definitely try it out. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.